Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the new Happy Duckling Pet from Roblox Adopt Me. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the beak. Let's start on the top left, and let's draw an S-shaped curve down and out like this. Now from the top, let's curve it over and back in. Now let's close it off with a curve. And that's it for the beak. Next, let's add the eyes. Let's start on top of the beak and let's draw a curve down. And then a curve out to the left. Now let's hop over to the right side and draw a large circle for the other eye. And now let's color both of the eyes in black. Next, let's add the shape of the head. Let's start on top of the left eye and let's draw a curve up and over to the right, stopping here. Now let's draw a curve up and back down, and then a larger one next to it. Now to close off the shape of the head, let's draw a curve all the way back down under the beak. And that's it for the head. Next, let's move down and draw the body. Let's first move down and draw the right wing. On the right side of the head here, let's draw an S-shaped curve down, like this. Then from the top, let's curve it down, and then two more pointed V shapes. And now let's close off the wing with a curve. Now let's hop over on the left side and draw the shape of the body. Under the head, let's draw a curve down and then over to the wing. Next, let's hop up above the wing and let's draw two more points for the tail. And then hop back over on the left side and let's draw a curve down for the other wing. And that's it for the body. Next, let's move down and draw the feet. Let's start under the body here and let's draw two curves down. And then a curve across the bottom to connect them. Now for the other foot, on the right here, let's draw a curve up and back down. And then a curve at the bottom. And that's it for this cute happy duckling. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!